What is a generator in Python, and how is it different from a regular function? A regular Python function runs from start to finish and returns a single value. If you need to return multiple values, you typically build a list, add everything to it, and return the whole list at once. This works fine for small datasets, but if you are processing a million records, you load all million items into memory before doing anything useful. A generator solves this with a completely different approach. Instead of the return keyword, a generator function uses yield. When Python hits a yield statement, it pauses the function, saves its entire state, including local variables and the current position, and hands the yielded value to the caller. The next time you ask for a value, Python resumes the function exactly where it left off and continues until it hits the next yield. This means a generator produces values one at a time on demand rather than all at once. The entire dataset never sits in memory simultaneously. You can process a file with 10 million lines using a generator, and your memory usage stays constant regardless of the file size. You create a generator simply by writing a function with yield inside it. When you call this function, Python does not run the code immediately. Instead, it returns a generator object. The code only runs when you iterate over the generator using a for loop or the next function. Generator expressions work similarly to list comprehensions, but with parentheses instead of square brackets, and they produce values lazily on demand instead of building the full list up front. Generators are used extensively in Python for reading large files, processing data streams, implementing infinite sequences, and building efficient data pipelines. They are one of the most powerful and memory-efficient features in the language and separates intermediate Python developers from advanced ones. Follow DevVerseX for more daily interview questions to level up your career.